Hello student, this is the next type of continuous probability distribution, okay, and last topic of module 3. So last video we have studied what is continuous probability distribution and two types, that is normal distribution and standard normal distribution, and some problems on normal distribution and standard normal distribution. Okay, today we will see the third type, that is exponential distribution. Okay, so for every distribution we define a PDF, means probability density function, or we can say any distribution depends upon the PDF. Okay, so for this exponential distribution we defined a PDF that is given by f of x is equal to alpha e raised to minus alpha x. Okay, for x greater than 0, all the value of x greater than 0, the PDF is defined alpha e raised to minus alpha x, otherwise it is 0. Okay, for x less than value, the f of x is what? 0. This is called a PDF of the exponential distribution. So you can see in the graph, okay, when x increases, f of x tends to 0. When alpha increases, f of x tends to 0. Okay, this is about the exponential distribution. Now, how to find the probability of exponential distribution? So, important note to be remembered here, the total area of means the probability of exponential distribution is unity. Okay, by this we can find the probability of exponential distribution. So how it is unity, let us see. So area is equal to given by minus infinity to infinity f of x dx. Okay, so we cannot simplify this function. Let us split the function minus infinity to 0 f of x dx plus 0 to infinity f of x dx. So we have seen in the exponential distribution minus infinity to 0 ranging, the function is what? 0, right? From 0 to infinity, all the value of x greater than 0, the function is what? Alpha e raised to minus alpha x. Okay, now let us integrate this. Alpha you can take out of the integration, so remaining is e raised to minus alpha x dx. Now let us integrate. What is the integration of e raised to minus alpha x? E raised to minus alpha x upon minus alpha, right? Apply 0 to infinity limit, so that is equal to minus alpha, you can take it out, e raised to minus alpha x remaining, upper limit is infinity, e raised to minus infinity minus e raised to 0, lower limit, so it will be this value is what? 0, e raised to 0 value is 1, so that is equal to 1. Okay, this is the what? Probability of exponential distribution, that is equal to unity. Now, how to find the variance? What is the variance and mean for this exponential distribution? Okay, mu, it is denoted by, mean is denoted by mu, that is equal to 1 by alpha, and variance is also 1 by alpha. It means that the mean and variance are equal for the exponential distribution. Okay, so let us see one example how to find the probability for exponential distribution. Find the constant k such that f of x is equal to, okay, now the given, this is given, that is a PDF kx square, and x is ranging from 0 to what? 3, otherwise what? 0, is the probability density function, and also compute probability of x ranging from 1 to 2. Second one, x is less than or equal to 1 and x is greater than 1, mean and variance, all this we have to find. Okay, first of all we have to see the given PDF is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, but PDF is given kx square, we don't know the value of k. So if k is greater than or equal to 0, then f of x is greater than or equal to 0. Also we must have, okay, the probability, how to find minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. So using this condition, let us find the value of k. So that is equal to 1. What is the limit of the integral here? 0 to 3. Integration of kx square is kx cube by 3, 0 to 3. Apply the limit. So kx cube integration, k is constant. X cube integration is x raised to 4 upon 4. Right? So x raised to 4 upon 4, that is equal to 27. So when you apply the upper limit, that is equal to 3 cube, that is 27. Okay, 27 upon 27k upon 3, that is equal to 1. Okay, 9k is equal to 1, that is equal to 1 upon 9. Okay, so this is the integral. Here x square integration we need to find, right? X square integration is x cube by 3, not x raised to 4 upon 4. So we got the value of k is 1 by 9. Now they asked to find probability of x ranging from 1 to 3. Okay, 1 to 2. Now what is the integral limit? 1 to 2, f of x dx. What is f of x? That is x square by 9. Okay, that is kx square. K means value is 1 by 9 and this x square is as it is. So x square by 9. So for everywhere f of x we can write now x square by 9. Now integrate. So x square integration is x cube by 27. By x square integration is x cube by 3, right? 3 into 9 is 27. Apply the upper limit, lower limit. This will be 8 by 27 minus 1 by 27 is equal to 7 by 27. Similarly, second one, x is less than or equal to 1, means ranging from 0 to 1, right? So f of x is x square by 9. Only we can apply the upper limit, that is equal to 1 by 27. Third one, x is greater than 1, means ranging from 1 to 3 only. So it is given ranging from x is 0 to 3. So here it is greater than 1. We have to apply the limit from 1 to 3. So you will get the answer x squared integration is x cube by 27, 1 to 3. So 27 by 27 minus 1 by 27. Okay, so when you subtract you will get 26 by 27. Now mean how to find using this formula, x dot f of x dx. Okay, x as it is, f of x is x square by 9 dx. So x into x square is x cube upon x into x square is x cube by 9. What is the integration of x cube? That is x raised to 4 upon 4. 4 into 9 is 36. So you will get the when you apply the upper limit, 81 by 36, that is 9 by 4. Now how to find the variance? X square f of x dx minus mu square. Okay, so again x square into f of x is x square into x square by 9. So x raised to 4. Right, what is the integration of x raised to 4? X raised to 4 upon 4. 4 into 9, 45. Apply the integral 0 to 3. And this 9 by 4 whole square, this is mu. We got the mean as mu 9 by 4. So 81 by 16. So x raised to 5 is 243 upon 45 minus 81 by 16. You will get the answer 27 by 80. So this way you have to find the probability for the exponential distribution.